Infinitives are a special form of verbs. In English, we often use the word to followed by the base form of a verb to form an infinitive. In this lesson, we will learn how to use infinitives to show why someone does something or to show purpose. When you want to explain the reason for doing something, you use an infinitive of purpose. For example, when you say, "I came here to study," the phrase "to study" tells us why you came here. The pattern is to plus the base verb. The basic structure for showing purpose is the main action followed by to and the base form of a verb. Here are some examples. I went to the store to buy milk. She studies hard to pass the exam. In each sentence, the infinitive tells us the reason for the action. Here are more examples to help understand the use of infinitives to show purpose. He exercised daily to stay fit. We saved money to travel the world. Notice how the infinitive of purpose always answers the question why. We use this structure in everyday English. For example, they run every morning to keep healthy. I opened the window to let in fresh air. These examples show how we explain the purpose of actions in English clearly with infinitives. An infinitive of purpose uses to plus the base form of a verb. It shows the reason or purpose for doing something. For example, I called to ask for help. Remember, the subject of the main action and the infinitive must be the same person or thing. The simple rule for using infinitives of purpose is to add to plus the base verb after the main action. This shows why the action happens. For example, I work to earn money. It is important to keep the subject the same for both parts. Remember these important points about infinitives of purpose. Use to plus base verb to explain the reason for an action. The subject must be the same in the sentence and in the infinitive. If the subjects are different, use so that plus a clause instead. For negative purpose, use not plus to plus verb, or in order not to show what someone wants to avoid.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.